Okay, students. So we are starting with the third sum now. So universal set is given, P is given. We have to draw the Venn diagram of U as well as P complement. सबसे पहले हमको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? First of all, we have to find out P complement, right? So what do you mean by P complement, guys? We have decided ना P complement बोलते किसको है? P complement means you have to remove the P from U. जिसका भी हमको कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना है उस सेट को हम U से निकाल देंगे. Now see here. We have P as 1, 3, 7, 10. So I'm cutting 1, 3, 7 and 10. हमने कट कर दिया. So what are remaining with me now? क्या बचा है हमारे पास में? 2, 8, 9, 11 and what? 12. So this is your P complement. Understood till here? Till here it is understood, guys? Yes or no? Fast. I want answer in the chat box. Fast. Yes. So we have got U wala part, P wala part and as well as P complement. So how we can draw in the Venn diagram? Venn diagram हम कैसा निकालेंगे? See here. I will draw one diagram. Okay. And I will draw one rectangle. So rectangle वाला हमने क्या decide किया? ये U रहेगा हमेशा. Universal set. And what will be the circle? Circle will be your P. So what are the elements are present in P? P में क्या क्या है? 1, 3, 7, 10. So I will write 1, 3, 7, 10. Okay. In the previous lecture, students were asking, sir, it's necessary to line by line write. We have to write in line by line. No need to write. आपको circle के अंदर लिखना है खाली points को. So I have written 1, 3, 7 and what? 10. Now what we have to draw? We have to draw P complement. मैंने पहले ही बताया. U में से अगर P को हटा देंगे हम लोग, so what you will get? P complement. तो ये P complement बन जाएगा आपका. Got it? We have discussed ना P plus P complement is U only. So we have filled the P value. P भर दिया हमने. P को fill कर दिए. Then what will be the P complement, guys? Yes, this will be the P complement. What? 2. Yes, 3 तो हो गया. 8, 9, 10 भी हो गया. 11 and what? 12. These are the P complement and this is the Venn diagram. I hope it is clear to you guys. It is clear till here. इतना clear है आपका? Okay. Thank you so much, students. Now we are moving towards the second part. Second part क्या है देखो? What we have to do? We have to verify P complement and complement is equals to P. So what I will do first? Let me tell you what is the P complement. P complement क्या आया था मेरे पास? Yes, 2, 8, 9, 11 and what? 12. This was the P complement. Agreed? Agreed with me? ये हमारा P complement था. If we will again apply the complement, then what will happen? See, अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? P complement को वापस से complement लगा रहा हूँ. Getting my point? What I am doing is I am applying the complement again to the P complement. Getting my point? So what I will get? P complement को मैं U से निकाल दूंगा, right? See here. ये P complement को मैं U से निकाल दूंगा. So what is the number? 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. I have cut all the numbers. So what is remaining with me? We are remaining with 1, 3, 7 and 10. 1, 3, 7 and 10. Got it? P complement का complement मिल गया आपको 1, 3, 7 and what? 10. Now, what is this 1, 3, 7, 10? You can see here, this is the P only. 1, 3, 7, 10 is what? P only. So I will write here P. So we have proved it. P complement of complement is equals to P. Answer समझ में आ गया? सगळ्यांना कळलं? Okay? Yes. Just let me know in the chat box fast. You got my point? Each and everyone? Okay. If you want, you can take the screenshot, guys. If you want, you can take the screenshot. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay. Yes, sir. No, this sum is clear. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. So we are moving towards the next part now. Okay. So we are moving towards the next part. Okay. Now see the question. Write the subset relation between these sets. This is very much important as well as this is GK type questions. GK type questions है आपका guys. Okay. So see, write the subset relation between sets. What is the question now? I will first see the question, then I will let you know the answer. Okay. So what is the P का set? P का set is what? P is the set of all residents in Pune. P मतलब Pune हो गया. Okay. The people staying in Pune. What is M? the residents in Madhya Pradesh. M is what? Madhya Pradesh. I is what? Indore. I is what? Indore. B is what? Residents in India. B is what? Residents in India. H is what? Residents in Maharashtra. That means we all. हम महाराष्ट्र में आते हैं ना? Yes. So what we have to write? We have to write the subset relation. हमको बताना है कौन सा सेट किसके अंदर में आता है. Getting my point? We have to give the answer that which set is coming in which set. Okay. So सबसे पहले देख के समझ में आ रहा है सबसे बड़ा वाला set, that means universal set is what? What will be the universal set? PMIBH. सबसे बड़ा set कौन रहेगा? Obviously India. India is the biggest set, right? India is the biggest set. So what will be the India set का नाम क्या आपका? Yes, B is the set. What is the set? B is the set, right? So B is the universal set, I can say. ये हमारा universal set है. So I will write here universal set. Got it till here? Now we have to find which area is coming under which area. Now let's start with the P part. Pune. Pune कहाँ का आता है? Yes, students. Pune कहाँ का आता है? Pune is coming in Maharashtra and Pune is coming in India. Getting my point? So I will write Pune. P is the subset of Maharashtra means H, and P is the subset of India. India means B. Till here it is clear. Any doubt, guys? Pune Maharashtra में भी आता है and Pune is coming in India also. Okay, आगे बढ़ते. What about Madhya Pradesh? Madhya Pradesh is a city or state. Madhya Pradesh is city or state. Madhya Pradesh is city or state. Yes, it's a state. Madhya Pradesh state है ना MP. Okay, so state कहाँ पर आएगा? सिर्फ इंडिया में आएगा. Some students are telling us, sir, इंदौर भी मध्य प्रदेश भी इंदौर में आता है. That means wrong, guys. मध्य प्रदेश जो आता है वो आपके इंडिया में आता है. So I can say that मध्य प्रदेश is M. So M is subset of what? B. Getting my point? M is subset of what? B. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, next one. What about Indore? Indore किस में आता है? Indore is the city of Maharashtra. Is the city of Maharashtra. शाबाश. मैंने महाराष्ट्र बोला तो आपने महाराष्ट्र बोल दिया. वाह वाह वाह. नहीं, होश में रहना है लेक्चर में. मध्य प्रदेश. मुंबई नहीं बोल रहा हूं. I am telling about Indore. Yes. So Indore is coming in what? Madhya Pradesh, as well as, guys, Indore is coming in India, right? Indore is coming in Madhya Pradesh as well as Indore is coming in what? India. So I will write Indore के लिए क्या था? I. So I can write I is subset of मध्य प्रदेश के लिए क्या है? M. I is subset of M and India के लिए B. तो I is subset of B. Got it till here? Any doubt? Any शंका? Shall we move ahead? सगळ्यांना कळलं? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट इंडिया? इंडिया किस में आता है? इंडिया में आता है. राइट. सो इंडिया के लिए वी विल नॉट राइट एनी ऑफ द सबसेट. गॉट इट? इंडिया इज द बिग. यस यस. सम स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी स्मार्ट. सो इंडिया इज कमिंग इन एशिया. वाह वाह वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. नहीं, बट यहाँ पर बात करें स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग सम का बात कर रहे हैं. नहीं, सो हम एशिया की तरफ नहीं जाएंगे अभी. सो इंडिया के लिए सबसेट नहीं लिखेंगे. व्हाट अबाउट महाराष्ट्र, गाइस? महाराष्ट्र कहाँ का आता है? Where is the Maharashtra coming? Yes, Maharashtra is coming in India. So Maharashtra का क्या है? H. H is subset of B. B means India, ना? So this is the answer. Clear? समझ में आ गया? So I hope this is clear. So you can take the screenshot fast. जल्दी लो, फटाफट. You can take the screenshot. Okay. Now what is the next question, guys? See here. Simple question next. देखो मैंने जो लिखा है वही लिखा है. Which can be the universal set? Yes. Anyone? Which can be the universal set? Yes, exactly. I'm getting the answer. B is the what? Universal set. Set B is the universal set. So I hope this much is very much clear to you guys. Any doubt? Any shanka? Okay. Okay. So thank you so much. Yes, no doubt, no shanka. Okay. It's a तरीका, एक मेथड है पढ़ाने का. Okay. So it's fine. Okay. Some students are telling that sir, please the previous slide. Show the previous slide. Yes, you can take the screenshot, guys. Fast. आगे बढ़ेंगे हम लोग. Okay. Subset means, Nishant, subset means small set which is coming in the big set. Nishant, I am getting my point. Are you getting my point? Subset means वो सेट जो किसी और के सेट में आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए के एलिमेंट्स अगर यू में आते हैं, सो आई विल कॉल इट एज ए इज अ सबसेट ऑफ यू. सबसेट मतलब है किसी और में आना. सर योर वीडियो इज नॉट ऑडिबल available. Okay, Suhani, so you can leave the meeting and again join, please. I think my video is audible na, my video is audible na. Sorry guys, what, आपके चक्कर में मेरी इंग्लिश खराब कर दोगे आप लोग. मेरा विजुअल प्रॉपर है गाइस, वीडियो का आप देख पा रहे हो. ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द ऑडियो? ऑडियो भी प्रॉपर है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. So we are moving towards the next part. Okay. Which set of numbers could be the universal set for the sets given below? Means they will give the proper sets and we have to write the universal set. Kindly check this. See here. We have two sets here, P and T. Getting my point? We have P and T. So what will be the P, guys? Yes, some students are telling. Okay. So P is set of integers which is multiple of 4. Okay, so I would like to ask to natural group, raise your hand. Natural group, raise your hand. I have a question for you. Natural group, raise your hand. I have a question for you. Natural group, कुठे गेला तुम्ही? कहाँ पर हो आप लोग? Where are you guys? Okay, natural group are sleeping, I think. Yes, one student. Yes, Aditi had. Okay, Aditi.
Hello.
Yeah, Aditi.
Yes, sir.
So you have to tell the P set. Just tell me the elements of P.
4,
4,
8,
8,
12,
12,
16,
16,
20.
and so on. Thank you so much, Aditi. आप पूरे इंफिनिटी तक नहीं जा सकते हो, right? Okay, so P is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16 up to what? Okay, next one. Okay, next one. What about T? Tell me with the even group. Even group, raise your hand. Rest all down your hands and even group, raise your hand. Even group. Yes. I'm getting the hands of only girls. Where are the boys? Students, fast. Yes, I have. Apuro, Ajit. Yes, Apuro.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the value of T.
1.
1. Let's see the question first. Set of even square number. Set of even square number. What are the even number, Apuro? What is the even number?
Sir, 1, 3.
I am asking about even number.
Not.
Okay, Apuro, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Ayushi, I am unmuting you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
The answer is 4, 16,
4,
16,
16,
36.
36,
Yeah, 36,
and
64,
64, and so on, right?
so on.
Okay, thank you so much, Ayushi.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, so even number means not 1, 3, 5. Even number means 2, 4, 6. मैथमेटिक्स में ये बहुत बड़ा क्राइम है, और इस क्राइम की सजा फांसी है. ओके, सो ये बेसिक चीज है गाइस. आई डोंट वांट कि बेसिक चीजें आपसे छूटे. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, सो पी वी हैव गॉट इट एंड टी आल्सो वी हैव गॉट इट. अब मुझे बताओ, टू रिप्रेजेंट दिस नंबर व्हिच सेट विल बी द यूनिवर्सल सेट? क्या सेट को हम यूनिवर्सल ले सकते हैं? सो आई विल टेल यू, वी कैन टेक नेचुरल सेट आल्सो, we can take whole set also, as well as we can take integer also, because natural number starts with what? 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? Whole number starts with what? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? Integer starts with what? 0, 1, -1 and all, right? So मतलब ये जो numbers है ना guys, these are coming in the natural number का set. These are coming in the whole number का set. these are coming in the integer number का set. Getting my point? So it's up to us. We can take natural number also, we can take whole number also, we can take integer also. I think this is very much clear to you guys. Yes or no? Fast. Yes. So what I will do now, I will show you the solution. See here. P, yes, as told by the students only, P, we have got it. T, we have got, and N. Now see the universal set. Universal set, we can take N also, W also, and I also. Because आपका जो P के elements है, ये जो P के elements है, they are coming in N also, they are coming in W also, they are coming in I also, right? As well as आपका जो T का element है, they are coming in L also, W also, and as well as I also. Yes, I think Himakshi is telling the sir, explain me. So do you know where? Okay, so getting my point till here, it is clear, I think. So again I'm explaining. See Himakshi, P and T we have, right? हमको ऐसा कोई सेट निकालना है जिसमें P और T के एलिमेंट्स आ जाए, प्रेजेंट हो जाए. We have natural number ना, we have natural number from 1 to infinity, as well as we have whole number from 0 to infinity, right? As well as we have integer from minus infinity to infinity, right? So ये तीनों सेट में हमारे ये नंबर्स आने वाले हैं. So it's our choice कि हम कोई भी सेट को ले सकते हैं. Getting my point? It's our choice कि हम लोग कोई भी सेट को ले सकते हैं. That means यही मुझे बताना था आपको कि आपके चॉइस आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. See here. For the two sets P and T, we can take the natural number or whole number or the integers as a universal set. यहाँ तक clear है? Yes, yes, yes. You are most welcome. Okay. Let now it is GK questions. यहाँ पर दिमाग लगाना है हमको. Okay. पर GK लगाएंगे हम लोग. See here. Let all the students of class R as a universal set. Okay. What will be the U? What will be the U students? See here. U will be what? Set of all students in the class. Universal set के पूरे क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स को ले लिया मैंने. Okay. Now next one is A be the students who secure 50% or more than marks in max. Okay. Okay. Some students are telling that show me the next slide. Okay. Guys, fast take the screenshot, guys. Whenever I am showing at that time only, it's your duty, guys, to take the screenshot. इसके वजह से फिर लेक्चर हमारा मिस हो जाता है थोड़ी देर के लिए. Shall we move ahead? Okay. Thank you. Okay. So what will be the U? U क्या रहेगा हमारे पास में? U will be what? Set of students in the class. And what is A? You can see in the screen. A means the students who score 50% or more than 50%. But I want all the students to be scoring more than 90% in mathematics. Agreed or not? पक्का. Deal done कर देंगे हम लोग इधर अभी. Final. Okay. Let's see. मैं done कर रहा हूँ आपके साथ deal. And I will tell to all that मेरे लेक्चर में मतलब मेरे मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट में ये बच्चे पूरे 90 अबव लाएंगे, राइट? Okay, so I am getting a commitment from your side, then I will give a commitment to them also. Okay, okay, fine. You're enjoying the lecture, na, students? Bore नहीं हो रहे हो ना? Okay. Just we have one lack that आप लोग directly बात नहीं कर सकते मेरे से, यही हमारा problem है खाली. Because this is the online lecture and I have 160 students in my chat box, right? तो 160 students से बात करना it's difficult time for me, right? तो इसके लिए हम एक-एक से बात करेंगे. Let's see. Okay, आगे बढ़ेंगे. U is the set of all students in the class. So what will be the A? A कौन से बच्चे हैं? Set of students scoring 50% marks or more than 50%. So I have written set of students scoring 50% and above in max from the given class. Till here it is clear? जो उन्होंने दिया वो मैंने लिख दिया. Now what they want? उनको चाहिए क्या? उनको चाहिए complement of A. That means they want A complement. Getting my point? They want A complement. तो A complement को हम निकालेंगे कैसे? Yes, A complement को हम निकालेंगे कैसे? We will remove the A set from the U set. Simple. नहीं, हमको एक सेट को गायब कर देना है U के सेट से. उसको बोलना है भाई तू नहीं आ सकता है अभी. Okay, so A को गायब कर देना है. So whatever will be the remaining part, that will be your A complement. Some students are writing 50% or less. No, wrong. A में क्या है देखो, ध्यान से देखो. A means what? Students scoring 50% or more than 50. Getting my point? A में क्या 50% वाले भी है और 50 से ज्यादा वाले भी है. तो A complement में कौन आएंगे? Yes, students. Yes. Only less than 50%. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट में क्या आएगा, सिर्फ लेस देन 50%. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट्स? नहीं, मेरे पास में वेज बिरयानी है, फॉर लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. मेरे पास में वेज बिरयानी है और मेरे पास में पिज्जा भी है. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो व्हाट आई डिड इज, मैंने आधा बिरयानी भी खा लिया मस्त दबा के फुल, राइट, एंड पिज्जा का 2 स्लाइस भी खा लिया मैंने, राइट. तो बचा कैसे? हम खाली ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं पिज्जा खाली बचा है बाबा, बिरयानी भी तो बचा है भाई. ओके, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? बिरयानी इज आल्सो रिमेनिंग, राइट. एंड डोंट से सर आई एम नॉट ईटिंग बिरयानी, आई एम ऑन अ डाइट, ऐसा मत बोलो मुझे. आई नो ईच एंड एवरीवन. ओके, पिज्जा तो आप लोग खाते हैं ऑब्वियसली, राइट. ओके, सो अभी बाहर का मत खाया करो, इट्स पैंडेमिक. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट गाइस? ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या रहेगा? वो स्टूडेंट्स जिसके मार्क्स 50 से कम आ रहे हैं. These are the students who are getting the mark or who are scoring the marks less than 50%. See here. Okay. See here. What will be the A complement? The set of students scoring less than 50% in maths from the given class. Getting my point? Yes. But students, I don't want anybody to be scoring less than 50. 90 से कम भी किसी को नहीं आना चाहिए मेरे सब्जेक्ट में. Okay. It's for all subject, but I am telling from for my subject. Okay. मैं मेरी सब्जेक्ट की बात करूंगा. Okay, some students are telling, sir, we will score 100 marks. Okay, let's see. No, in this sum, we don't need to draw the Venn diagram. हमको draw नहीं करना है diagram. इस केस में, whenever they are telling that you have to draw the Venn diagram, then only you have to write it. Till here it is clear, guys. Any doubts? Then let me know first. कुछ doubt है तो बोलो. My aim is to score above 60, 94. What is this 94, guys? छोटा मत सोचो, बड़ा सोचो. No, sir, no doubt. Okay, I think till here it is clear. So no doubt now. Okay. Okay. So today's आज हमने 2 ही sum किए सिर्फ. Okay, we will start with the next topic because we have little bit time also. So I will, sir, board में supervisor बनो. Okay. Okay, students, we are moving towards the next part now. So disjoint set. Okay. What is this? Upper row. Yes, some students are eating the pencil. What is this? आपने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किए. ओके, सो आपको ब्रेकफास्ट करके आना है, पेंसिल नहीं खाना है. Okay, students, I am moving towards the next part. This is a disjoint set. Okay, disjoint set means what? The sets having no common members. Okay, in the previous lectures we have saw now, if we are considering A set, we are considering B set, right? Then what happened? Some of the elements were common, right? हमारे पास कुछ तो कॉमन एलिमेंट रहता था. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? हमारे पास कुछ तो कॉमन एलिमेंट रहता था. Yes, I will show Ruchi. I will show the homework also. So disjoint means what? Disjoint. Joint means जुड़ना. Dis means नहीं जुड़ना. Getting my point? Joint means जुड़ना. Disjoint means not connected at all. Okay, so whenever the two sets having no common elements, so that set is known as disjoint set. You can see here guys, आप लोग देख सकते हो, A एक set है and here C we have set. Whether A and C having same elements, any of the same elements कुछ है उसमें A और C में? Yes, students, tell me fast. No, A and C don't have any of the elements, right? So A and C is known as disjoint set. Whenever these two elements having no common elements, these two terms or these two set having no common elements, then we will call it as disjoint set. इतना clear है guys? अगर कोई भी दो सेट के पास सेम कॉमन एलिमेंट नहीं है, so we will call that set as disjoint set. See here example, you can see the U दिख रहा है आपको. This is the universal set. And what is A? A is 1 2 3 4 5. And what is set C? 8 10. You can see here, you can see the Venn diagram also, right? Whether they have any of the common elements? No, so we will call it as A and C are disjoint set. Till here it is clear? Disjoint सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Shall we move ahead? आगे बढ़े. Obviously students, joint set means what? Whenever the elements will be common in the set. अगर सेट के बीच में एलिमेंट्स कॉमन है तो उसको हम जॉइंट सेट बोलेंगे. ए और बी के एलिमेंट्स कोई भी कॉमन है तो हम उसको जॉइंट सेट बोलेंगे. ओके, सो वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ यूनियन ऑफ सेट. Now union is set. In the previous slide, no need to take the screenshot, guys. जस्ट टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट, इट विल बी फाइन फॉर यू, क्योंकि आपको प्रैक्टिस सेट लिखना है, आपको वो नहीं लिखना है. ओके, सो यूनियन ऑफ सेट, यूनियन मींस, यूनियन का मतलब समझ लो एक साथ, टुगेदर. यूनियन को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, वी विल कॉल इट एज टुगेदर. ओके, यूनिवर्सल सेट भी नो ना, यूनिवर्सल मतलब दैट मींस व्हाट, universal means larger set, that means, and union means all we have to combine the set. Let's take an example. We have a set 1 2 3, okay, we have b set 4 5. Getting my point? We have two sets and these are the disjoint set. You can see a के elements और b के elements match up नहीं कर रहे हैं. Getting my points? The elements of a and b are different, they are not comparable, they are not having common point, right? So what we will do, we have to write the union set. Union means how you have to write, see here, a union means u b, आपको ऐसे लिखना है. Getting my point? a union b कैसे लिखना है समझ में आया आपको? दो सेट का अगर आपको यूनियन निकालना है तो you have to write u, this symbol u. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to add all the elements. a के सारे elements लो. a के elements कौन कौन है? 1 2 3. And what are the elements of b? 4 and 5. So this will be the A union B. A union B का simple मतलब होता है you will collect all the elements from A and B. If you have to find the A union B, then you have to write all the elements of A and B. But if the repeats are there, then you have to write only one time. ये हमने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं सेट में भी. अगर कोई एलिमेंट रिपीट होता है तो उसको हम लोग एक ही बार लिखते हैं. Till here it is clear guys. A union B समझ में आ गया? We will take one example also. हम लोग एग्जाम्पल भी लेंगे. See here, I am taking the example. आपको अच्छे समझ में आएगा. See here now. You can see here. What is the example? We are given the A part. See here. We are given A ka set, B ka set. What about union? Union means I told you now. We have to write all the elements. So we will write 1, 1, 2, 3. We have written. Then next again we have 3. But 3 previously we have written now. So no need to write again. You have to write only one time. So next one is 4. Yes, we have written 4. Next one is 5. So we have written 5. Got it till here? Yes students, so union means समझ में आ गया, पूरे सेट को हम पकड़ेंगे, entire set you will take. A union B means you have to cover all the elements, you have to cover all this set. Okay, I have drawn this. See, you can see the green shade. You can see green shade. Green shade means what? We are considering all the elements. We are considering all this set. Okay, again I am explaining. Whenever one A set is given and whenever B set is given, so what you have to do, we have to find out A union B. A union B में आप क्या करते हो, A और B के सारे elements लिखते हो. A के elements कौन कौन है? 1 2 3. So I have written 1 2 3. Okay, what about B? B के elements में क्या क्या होता है? 3 4 5. So already earlier you have written 3 only ना, पहले आपने 3 लिखे थे, तो अभी आप 3 नहीं लिखोगे, you will write 4 and 5. Okay, let's take one example. हम example लेते हैं जिसमें आप बताओगे मुझे. Okay, so I want to ask to the real group, raise your hand. Real group, raise your hand. It's question of a session. Real group, raise your hand. Yes, Ganesh, I'm unmuting you.
Yes, sir.
Kindly on your video, please. Yes, Ganesh, answer me. What is the union of this first set?
Sir, the union of first set is 1, 2,
Okay.
1,
1, 2,
5, 8, 7.
5, 8, and 7. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Ganesh. And it's a good answer. It's a perfect answer. We have to write all the A and B elements. So A consider of 7 to 5 and B consider of 1 2 5 8. But common element is 2 5, right? So we have to write only one time. Okay, there will be the element common 2 and 5. So we will write only one time only. Okay, so till here it is clear. Now I will ask, down your hands, guys. Ganesh and Harshit, down your hands. Okay, so I will ask to composite group. Composite group, raise your hand. Composite group, raise your hand. Yes, Himakshi, tell me. Second one.
P is complement to Q.
P union Q.
Sorry. P union Q. 9 3 6 8 4 2,
Can you
5.
tell me in the sequence, please?
Yes, sir. 1, 2,
1,
3,
yes,
5,
okay,
6,
okay,
7,
yes.
8,
Hmm.
and 9.
But here we want union, na? P union Q, right? So I will consider only these elements. खाली हम ये एलिमेंट लेंगे, ये बाहर के एलिमेंट को नहीं लेंगे हम लोग. Getting my point? Because we want union part ना. We have to compare P and Q. Himakshi, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever they are asking for universal set ना, अगर हमको universal set पूछेंगे तो हम पूरा लेंगे इसको. ये डिफरेंस है. Getting my point? एकदम अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You can unmute yourself. Okay, students. I hope this much is clear. इसीलिए मैं आपसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आपसे गलती होगी तो पूरे क्लास को समझ में आ जाएगा क्या गलती हो रही है हमारे से. ओके I think this is clear now. Shall we move ahead? Okay. Okay, so we are moving towards the next part. I hope guys this is clear to you, right? Any doubts still here, then let me know. Any doubts still here, then let me know, please. Okay. Yeah. Okay, some students are telling that please explain again. Okay, again I'm explaining. This last part I'm again explaining. So see here guys, we have to find this union. A और B का union निकालना है मुझे. So what? So A union B will be what? Union का मतलब समझ लो. In our language we can call it as नहीं सबको ले लो. उस सेट में सब एलिमेंट्स को डाल दो. Getting my point? उस एलिमेंट में सब एलिमेंट उस सेट में सब एलिमेंट को डाल दो. अब किसका यूनियन ले रहा हूं मैं? I am taking the union of A and B. So first write A का पूरा एलिमेंट, then write B का पूरा एलिमेंट. So what is the element of A? A में क्या क्या है? 2, 5 and 7. Write down 2, 5 and 7. Till here it is clear. अब मैं किसके पास जाऊंगा? B को बोलूंगा भाई तुम्हारे पास कितने एलिमेंट्स है? So I will ask B. तो B बोल रहा है भाई मेरे पास 1, 2, 5, 8. These are the elements for me. So 1 we will write, 2 already have written, 5 already have written, remaining is 8. So this is the union. अब समझ में आया? अब समझ में आया? Yes? जिसने doubts पूछा था अभी बताओ मुझे. Okay, so I'm getting lots of answer. Yes, only I'm getting. So that means it is clear to you. So I hope it is clear, guys. So we can move ahead, right? हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Okay, till here any doubts and let me know fast.